Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you put your window glass back in on your 2008 Toyota Camry. So to start with, you're going to want to take your window glass and you're going to pick it up and you're going to bring it in at an angle until you get it down far enough, and then you straighten it out, and then you're able to drop it down and line it up where you need to put the screws in. So we take our glass here. Once you get it down below there, then you can straighten it up, and so it's in the channel like it was going up and down on this window. Now we may need to, you gotta shift the rail over a little bit to be able to get this to line up. So you just gotta slide this, I'm talking the rail. We had to slide this over because it was back over here from when we put the regulator back in. And so we've got it lined up here, and it'll be lined up on the other side. And so now we'll put the two number 10 bolts in that hold the window in and tighten them up. So that's installed and tightened. Now you're gonna feed these lines through here. Do our best to reattach our little plastic cover here. And we'll re-put the speaker back in to cover that all up and reconnect the electric to it, since we removed it to take the window out. And the speaker goes with that little tab up, and so that way it'll slide up in there. And then install the four screws that hold that in. Make sure you do connect the electric back up if you like to hear your sound speakers. And so that's how you would reinstall or put your window in your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.